everyone! Welcome back to this channel. For today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you on how to lock the Facebook profile. Alright, so this is very easy and quick tutorial only. Since I have already a video about this one, but there are a lot of people asking me why they can't lock their Facebook profile. So the reason why, guys, since nag-update na po si Facebook, no? So may bagong update si Facebook ngayon na we don't need to change the language to lock our Facebook profile. So napakadali na lamang po ngayon dahil hindi na po natin kailangan mag-change ng language. Alright, so if you want to know more about it, just keep on watching. And kung hindi ka pa guys nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit also the notification bell for you to be notified on my next video. Alright, so without further ado, let's start. First guys, of course, kailangan natin mag-open ng ating Facebook account. Open lang po tayo. So itong aking Facebook app guys, dalawa po yan, ayan. Check po muna natin dito sa aking main account. Ayan, nakalagay po dyan ay nakalock po yung aking profile. So as you can see, mababasa nyo dyan na nakalock yung aking profile. Alright, so ngayon, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo dito sa isang Facebook app ko. Ayan, since yung account po dyan ay hindi pa po nakalock. So click po natin. Ayan. So pagka-click nyo po ng Facebook app nyo or Facebook account, pagka-open nyo po, of course, i-click nyo lang po yung profile picture nyo po dito sa left side. Alright? Ayan, click po natin. Ayan, after clicking your profile picture, of course, ito po yung makikita nyo. Ayan, i-click nyo lang po itong 3 dots dito sa right side. Ayan, click natin. Upon clicking it, ayan, makikita nyo na po yung lock profile. So, this is very easy lang po. Hindi po katulad before na ang hirap po magpalit or mag-lock ng ating Facebook profile. Click po natin. Then, pagka-click nyo po ng lock your profile, makikita nyo na po dito sa baba. Ayan, click lang po natin. Then, after that, may magpa-pop up po. Ayan, nakalagay dyan is you locked your profile. Then, click nyo lang po yung OK. Alright, so click natin. Then, after clicking OK, so ayan, malalak na po yung ating Facebook. Ayan. So, kapag nakalock po tayo dito guys, ibig sabihin nun ay naka-private po tayo. Kapag hindi po natin friends yung taong iyon, hindi po tayo may stalk or hindi po makukuha yung ating picture, hindi may screenshot yung ating Facebook profile, kahit ano po dyan, gusto niyang screenshot, hindi niya po magagawa yon. And hindi po mau-open yung account mo kapag hindi mo po siya friends. So, kailangan maging friends po muna kayo sa Facebook bago po makita yung mga pinopost mo, yung mga pictures, or bago ma-open yung Facebook profile mo. So, ngayon naman, kung gusto niyo naman po ay unlock yung inyong Facebook profile, ayaw mo nang i-private ang inyong account. So, same process lang po guys. Click nyo lang din po itong 3 dots sa right side, no? Ayan, click natin din. So, you can see, unlock profile po. So, all you have to do is just click the unlock. Ayan, nakalagay dyan sa taas, unlock. So, click lang natin yan. Then, of course, click mo sa baba, unlock your profile. Alright? So, napakadali lamang po. Then, after that, makikita nyo na or may magpapop up ulit na you unlocked your profile. Okay, so click lang natin ang OK. Yan, click mo lang ang OK. Then, as you can see, wala na po. Hindi na po naka-lock yung ating Facebook profile. Alright, so that's the end for today's tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, of course, to my YouTube channel. Bye!